Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I just got out of the shower and I want to show you the new shampoo and conditioner I'm using. This stuff has really impressed me.
This is the volumizing shampoo and conditioner set by Keranique. You can see here the shampoo is a really creamy, clear consistency, and the conditioner is just a really thick, nice cream. I've been really impressed with how well this has worked. It's sulfate free, which is really important to me because if I use sulfate in shampoo, my scalp gets really itchy. But if you take sulfates out of shampoo, sometimes they don't lather up very well. But I felt like this really did lather up really nicely, even without the sulfates. I also appreciate that this is really supposed to help with how much hair falls out and breaks. So when I'm in the shower, I always finger comb my hair while I am getting the conditioner in. And there's usually hairs covering my hands that have fallen out. So this is what it was when I first started. And this is what it was after 2 weeks of using this stuff. So I was a little skeptical, but I really feel like this has really helped me lose less hair and has kept it a little bit thicker. So if you're looking for a way to help strengthen your hair, keep it a little bit thicker, and add a little extra oomph, you should try Keranique.
And that's my point of view.